Are you ready for an animal true or false challenge? I'll tell you some amazing animal facts, and you have to decide, true or false. Let's do it! Penguins can fly. True or false? False. They have wings, but they cannot fly. Turtles carry their homes on their backs. True or false? True. They carry their shell wherever they go. Whales are fish. Do you think it is true or false? False. Whales are mammals, not fish. Giraffes have blue-black tongues. True or false? Think carefully. True. It helps prevent sunburn. Quack, quack, quack. Ducks can swim, Dot. Is it true or false? True. They paddle through the water. Koalas are bears. Do you believe it's true or false? False. They may look like bears, but they're not. Bees make chocolate. Is it true or not? It is false. Bees make honey, not chocolate. Elephants are the largest land animals. True or false? True. Elephants can grow very, very big. Crabs have 100 legs. Can you guess? True or false? False. Crabs have 10 legs, not 100. A group of fish is called a school. What's your answer? True or false? True. Fish stay together for safety. Snails can run faster than dogs. Is it true or false? False. Snails move very slowly. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Do you think it's true or false? True. Octopuses are very unique animals. Capybaras can make different sounds to communicate. True or false? True. Capybaras can whistle, bark, and squeak. Sloths are the fastest animals in the jungle. Can you guess? True or false? False. They are famous for being slow. Goldfish can recognize faces. What's your answer? True or false? True. Goldfish are smarter than many people think. your answer? True or false? False. Eggs come from birds, not rabbits. Polar bears are excellent swimmers. Time to decide. True or false? True. They use swimming to find food. Flamingos are born bright pink. Think carefully. True or false? False. Baby flamingos are born gray. Some snakes can swim. Take a guess. True or false? True. Some snakes live near rivers and lakes. Seahorses are a type of fish. Let's see what you think. True or false?